everyone, welcome back to another video. Yes, I will be posting. So I just got a dog, and if you want to see him, I will do a name reveal and what type of dog he is at the end of this video. So stay tuned, keep watching. Let's go. Look at him. Aww. Y'all can probably already tell what type he is. I'm not going to tell you hints, but you're going to have to guess. Okay, guys, so let's see if I can feed him. Like, he might be hungry, so yeah. So he eats sausages, like just sausage. So I'm gonna try to feed him. See if he can smell it. Oh, I touched it. Want it?
Oh, he doesn't want it.
He's not hungry.
Let him sleep. Hold on, let me see.
Yeah, I think he's asleep. Or
Want some food, buddy?
so he eats sausages. Sometimes he eats these treats. Let me show you. He eats these treats. Let's zoom in to see if they're good. Yeah, this is all dog food. He drinks a lot of water. And yeah. So I wanna show you something. Here he is. Wait, did you guys see that steak? Look at him. Just look. How cute.
So I'm gonna keep looking for a base. I don't know, this shit, the fucking soy sauce, I don't know. Fresh flour food.
I'm getting tired. I'm gonna have to reveal the name.
I'm gonna have to put that in.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yo, he just ate. Look.
She's almost here.
He's about to eat. Oh, I don't think he's hungry. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. I am a terrier mixed with a chihuahua. Yeah, as you can see, I'm really cute. So, yeah, don't mess with me or else you're dead. I have some soft nails.
You're still waiting for Jackie?
Okay, can you leave me alone now? That was a weird speech from Booby. And my name's Booby. I'm cuter than everyone on this planet. Yeah. By the way, leave me alone. I don't want to be in this video anymore. That's fine. Thank God. We're going to have to end the video right here. Bye. Goodbye, my beautiful fans. I'm here to learn all of you.